Hey there, welcome back to Code Alpha. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you, a fantastic Flutter learning app that's going to revolutionize the way you dive into Flutter development. If you've ever felt the thrill of building beautiful and functional apps, you know that Flutter is the way to go. And now, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an app that's designed to supercharge your learning experience and help you master the art of Flutter widgets. So, what's this app all about? Imagine having a dynamic resource right at your fingertips that provides not just explanations, but actual interactive code snippets for each and every Flutter widget out there. With our Flutter Learning app, you'll get access to a curated collection of Flutter widgets, from basic buttons to complex layouts. Each widget comes with an interactive code snippet that you can tweak and experiment with to see its impact in real time. Let's dive into some of the key features that make this app a must-have for every Flutter learner out there. Firebase integration made easy. We've made adding Firebase to your Flutter app a breeze. Our app provides step-by-step guidance on integrating Firebase services like authentication, database, and storage. API integration for dynamic data. Our app goes a step further by introducing you to API integration. Learn how to fetch data from external sources, like RESTful APIs, and display it in your Flutter app. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the incredible features of our Flutter Learning app. But guess what? The excitement doesn't end here. You can now access this app on the Google Play Store and kickstart your interactive journey to mastering Flutter widgets. To download the app and embark on your Flutter learning adventure, simply click the link provided in the description box below. It's your ticket to hands-on, real-world Flutter development, right at your fingertips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest updates, tutorials, and resources we bring to you here on Code Alpha. Thank you for joining me today.